So I'm with the 2021 Bronco Sport Badlands Edition fully loaded. I just did a video replacing the rear brake pads and going through the parking brake service mode. Luckily for the front ones, you don't have to go through this dang parking brake service mode. So I will jack the vehicle up, jack stand, bottle jack it up. I have an impact, a good one. Zip those off, pull the wheel off, take the pads out, replace the pads. It's actually pretty easy. If you're an able-bodied person, I don't know why you would pay anyone to do this. I mean, literally, you're talking like 30 minutes. Most of that time, or most of the time, when it takes hours, is just finding all the tools if you're disorganized like I am. If you're organized, then, let's say 40 minutes to do both, maybe an hour at the most. But why pay somebody hundreds of dollars when you can easily do this? This is something that's easy to do. So let's go ahead and take these guys off. If you have aftermarket wheels, you might have one of these. You put that on, that's ready to go. Okay, well, my family came out, so got distracted on the other one. So I figured, well, I got this side to film, passenger side. So once you get the wheel off, you're gonna want to take this clip out. And it could shoot. It's not that powerful. You can, use two hands and so it doesn't shoot across, but that's what it looks like. So you take that off. Then you got a plug, plastic plug up there. There you have it. One's going to be lower down. And there we have it, two plugs. It's an Allen, but like the rear, but I just use a T45 because I have this here at home. My Allens are at work. So if you have a security bit, T45 Allen, I would guess that's a 6 mil if I had to guess. So anyways, you'll take those two pins out behind and then you can remove the caliper. It's that easy. It's so simple. Okay, I set my camera up. We'll go ahead and use the T45 because I have it. And they're not going to be that tight, actually. I was actually surprised, even on the rears. Well, I only find the spot. There we go. Now I got them loose. Probably better yet, needle nose, but again, I don't have those here, so got some of these. Because of the boot that it's recessed into, unlike the rear ones where you could poke a screw through or Phillips or whatever to push the pin out, you can't on the front. So grabbing this is a little more difficult just because that boot basically covers this whole thing. So trying to grab and it's stiff enough you can't move it. So needle nose or something just to grab this to pull it out once it's undone. There we have it. Got that one out. I use WD-40 and a terry cloth and I just clean these up and then I'll lube them up and put them back in. For the lube, I like to use this stuff. Works really great. So all you do now is wiggle it, pull it off, pull off the rear, kind of just set that up there. And they're actually not that bad. 50,000 miles, plenty of life left on the front versus the rears. However, because I'm doing this myself and I'm already this far, I'm just going to replace them. Inexpensive. The part number is right there. I just got the Motorcraft ones. Actually, to push the piston back in, it's best to just have this guy have that brake pad in. Take your C-clamp, or you can buy the a unit where it spreads between the two. But a big C-clamp works just as good. That's compressed all the way back. And take the C-clamp off. Take the pad off. Set that right there. I like to take my goop, and on this one, I just kind of lightly lube up that. Put some around there where the piston will hit. Also, it stops rusting too. High temp grease. There we go. So that is in. Then I like to just dab the backside of these. You can set them in here too, or at least that one, and then slide that guy on just like that. Clean the pins with WD-40. It gets off the old junk on there, dirt, grime. You can use brake cleaner too. So I take some of the purple goop, put it on the base there, because when I slide it in, it will slide the goop that way. Do the other pin. Put that pin back. There we go. Wrench. There we go. Just had to get it through and find the hole. And it's tight. Do the bottom one. There we go. They do give you new ones of these. I didn't notice it when I did the other one. I mean, I would normally just put in the new ones because they give it to you, but I'll set them to the side. But yeah. This looks fine. I mean, 50,000 miles. That's still good. So it's not a big deal. You can reuse it. So put that there. Wrench there. Screwdriver there. Let's get that started over. Oop. There. Did it with my fingers actually that time. Make sure it's seated. Cool. There we have it. That is all done. That's what it looks like all done. Don't forget to put your rubber caps back in. I bet a lot of people forget about these plastic caps. They're actually plastic. And there we have it. Front brakes on a 2021 Bronco Badlands, fully loaded, completed.